Welcome back.
This is the best place.
For 48 years, Al's family farm in Fort Pierce has been a landmark for fresh citrus and Florida pride. But on October 9th, 2024,
It was surreal what we went through.
a tornado ripped through their historic business, leaving behind damage and debris. But the owner, Jeff Schwarner, says quitting was never part of the plan.
Anything that I could get with a forklift, I was grabbing it out, saving all the old timbers because I knew the timbers were 100 years old.
Schwarner and his team salvaged what they could, determined to rebuild even stronger.
All that wood, that's all destroyed second floor that we repurposed to rebuild. And we used it all, like, those are all 2-inch, true 2-inch thick boards from upstairs that went all the way around.
Even today, the sounds of rebuilding continue.
You can hear the drills and shelves still being put up because we're still like going, oh, I need a set of shelves there. Okay, every day a new set of shelves.
From damage to determination, the family farm is showing what resilience looks like, not just by rebuilding a business, but restoring a piece of St. Lucie County.
This is what it looks like when you shoot out the other end, so all the people in the future that go through disasters, watch how we went through and grab the tools we used, and then you can have hope and rebuild too.
In Fort Pierce, I'm Brooke Chow, WPTV News.